Hello everyone, welcome back to Heartwork Creations. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you are all staying safe and taking care of yourselves during this time. I have been keeping myself busy by working out, cooking, doing some makeup looks and stuff here and there, and I found that that's helped me kind of distract myself from everything that's going on. But yeah, last week I created this makeup look. I was gonna film a hair tutorial, and so I did my makeup and then I posted a picture and I got some requests on this makeup look, so I went ahead and filmed it. So keep watching if you want to see me put it together. Alright, so my eyes are primed and ready to go, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my MAC palette that I created for myself. Well, I put it together, I chose the colors. As a transition shade, I'm gonna use soft brown. I already have my primer on and I set it with translucent powder, so I'm just gonna go right in with soft brown, this one. So I'm gonna use that shade right in my crease. And here, I'm just gonna blend it in. Just lightly, I don't need too much of the shade. So just like that, super light. And next I'll move on to the Anastasia and Carli Bybel palette. So from this palette, I'm going to start with the shade Bybel. It's a really pretty like mauve-y gray shade. It's really pretty. It's like, I don't really have anything like that. So I'm going to use this right on the outer corner and just blend it into that transition shade. And blend upwards and then softly in the inner part of the eye. And extend the eye a little, just like that. So I'm going to keep the lid clear for the shimmery color. Keep it like that. And do the same on the other eye. I really like using this mirror to apply my eyeshadow. Like, I feel like it's super convenient because it's like a rectangular shape, and then you just like get all up in there and you get them both even. Because sometimes I use my small compact and I'll be like doing one eye and then I'll do the other eye, and it takes me longer to get them even. So I don't know, but it helps me. So maybe it'll help you too. Alright, so that's all I'll be applying for the transition. Underneath my eye, I'm going to use that same shade but with my pencil brush. This is the Morphe pencil brush. I'm going to apply that right underneath my lash line. Just like that. Don't go too far down, just right underneath the lash line. And that's it for the matte shades. So next I'm going to take my flat MAC 239 brush. So I'm going to get the MAC brush and then I'm going to apply some Fix Plus. And then I'm going to dip into Mandala and Oa, I'm guessing that's what it is. So these two, so I'm gonna go ahead and rub the pan like this, like this like that. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it onto my lid. Woo, this is so pretty. Oh gosh. So I just kind of constantly will like dampen up the brush and dip back in, but it's important to do the rubbing motions because it really like packs on the color. So I'm gonna cover up all of that empty space. This OA shade is so pretty. It has these like really fine specks of glitter that are like different colors. I see like blue and pink and like iridescent shades. Let's see, you can see. It's really, really pretty. Again, another shade that I don't have anything like, so that's why I am loving this palette. Alright, now that I'm done applying the shimmery shade, I'm going to take my blending brush again and then just soften it up, kind of blend it all together. Alright, and now I'm going to move on to my eyeliner. Normally I do my lashes first and then my eyeliner, but the lashes that I'm going to wear today are pretty dramatic and I feel like they kind of get in the way of me applying my eyeliner, so I'm just gonna use my eyeliner and then apply the lashes to keep things clean. And of course I'm using Blacktrack by MAC with my Simply 7 spotter brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and start right in the center of my eye and drag outwards. Up and connecting with that line. Please excuse the beep in the back. I guess someone's getting something delivered. Anyways. And just like that, in the tight line. Now I'll go ahead and do the other side. Alright, now that they are pretty much even, I'm going to move on to my lashes. And today I'm going to use the Lurella Rome lashes again. I've been wearing these a couple of times when I want my eyes a little more dramatic. And they're holding up really well. They're super, super pretty. They're really good quality. They're a little more pricey than what I normally pay for my lashes, but so far they've been worth it. Alright, so I put some glue on the lashes, and while they get sticky, I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm going to use the MAC in Extreme Dimension. I'm going to grab my lash from the center and then just place it in the center of my eye. You just want to be really careful not to mess up your eyeliner. And then just press it towards your lash line and you're good. And you can just kind of pinch them together with the tweezers. Like that. Alright, now that my eyes are finished, I'll move on to the lips. I'm going to use the Strip Down lip liner by MAC. Alright, and now I'm going to take an NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. I'm going to apply that right in the center. Just dab them. And then I'll take Strip Down again and blend it. Alright, and that is it. I'm going to spray some setting spray. I'll just take out my little clips and brush my hair out a bit. Alright, and my look is complete. I hope you enjoyed watching me put this look together. Please make sure to like this video for me, subscribe to my channel, and leave me some love and feedback down below. And don't forget to leave me some suggestions as well for future videos. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you again so much for watching. Bye.